what is our message going to be to households and businesses if a no deal, no transition scenario were to come to pass? The message will be the same as the message today, which is we will provide all the stimulus we can, subject to delivering price stability consistent with our remit. So in other words, we'll provide the support to the economy we can while keeping inflation low and stable. Now, the challenges with actually doing that are that a no deal, no transition Brexit will be inflationary. There will be tariffs. That's directly inflationary. The exchange rate is likely to depreciate, perhaps substantially, also inflationary. And as my colleagues have just described, there will be an element of reduction of the supply capacity of the economy and how quickly demand adjusts relative to that could potentially add to those inflationary pressures in the short term. But what we have an ability to do, it's not unlimited, but we have an ability to provide some support even in those circumstances, subject to bringing inflation back sustainably to target. So we'll do what we can, but we shouldn't oversell what we can do. The real drivers of economic outcomes here will be what happens to the productive capacity of the economy and then the reaction of businesses and households and our foreign customers. The customers of our exporters will happen. The other thing we can do, and just to reinforce, is, and we have done, and we are confident in the position, this is stepping away from the MPC, but to the bank as a whole, is to ensure that the financial system, the core of the financial system, is ready for whatever form Brexit takes. And that is the case. We have various mechanisms to reinforce that, and we just announced one of those a moment ago. So we have the financial sector there to support the economy. We will provide the support we can, but ultimately the remit given to us by Parliament for the right reasons is to deliver inflation at a 2% level in a timely fashion.